My philosophy of education is that students are in school not just to learn content, but also to grow emotionally, physically, as well as socially. I believe that the teacher's job is to pay attention to all of those aspects of a student's life so that they can provide a safe space for them to grow and make choices for themselves. And that is what school is for. School is a safe place for the students as well as the educator in the room. Um, Students should be able to um, excel in subjects that they are interested in. They should be able to um, show what they know in a very positive way that it it enhances their skills so that the teacher can fully comprehend what a student knows, but in a way that the student feels confident in. Some examples might be research projects, not always a paper and pencil, and listening to a teacher teach and then writing notes and then taking a test on those notes. Students are very creative, children are creative, have curious minds, and as an educator, I strive to use that creative mind for its full potential and help students to feel confident in their abilities in the classroom.